Hello, welcome to the third series in the lectures course series OpenAI and other awesome AI tools. I am Tejas Desai. I have worked for 13 years as an educator and then for around 6 years as an IT entrepreneur. And since 2018, I am working as a data scientist. Now, up to our previous lectures, we had seen prompt priming and we had seen some hands on the prompt priming. Here, we want to learn some general formula or general frameworks for writing prompts. So, this one can keep as a kind of cheat sheet, as a handy cheat sheet. And when one is running out of idea, one can use this. I will be uploading this as a resource. So you don't need to write anything, just focus on the screen. For example, one framework can be like this. Suggest new ideas for subject. Here you can fill any subject, including topics such as examples. So, for becoming more specific, you can give some example. For example, let us see this one. Suggest ideas for creating a newsletter for computer accessories. And we are also giving some examples that computer accessories like this. Let us see. Press submit. And within a second, it has given you that you can create this type of newsletters and feature a product of the month section, include a tips section, offer some exclusive discounts for subscribers, then share customer testimonials, reviews, feedbacks, showcase some of the latest industry trends, and so on. Let us take another one. Now, this suggest ideas for designing new Facebook page for my data analytics firm and press sub. And what should be used in the design of the Facebook page is that use bold and modern design to help portray the data analytics firm in a professional and innovative light. Utilize visuals, create a news and insights section, use videos to explain data analytics concepts, share data driven success stories, host live quiz question and answer session, create a library of resources, utilize targeting ads, and so on. Now, this is one particular formula, and you can try your own other examples based on this first formula. Now, second formula, write a piece of text for some subject. For example, this is one such use case. Write an email campaign for my new backup software. This bracket should not be there, sorry. Write an email, this one also. Otherwise, it will not give proper answer. Write an email campaign for my new backup software, including features such as automated backup, free cloud space, ease of use, or whatever other feature you may be offering. Okay, let us put that here. and then paste, submit, and it creates a very nice email with subject, then some salutation, then details or the body of the email. Then one important thing which we have already seen is that you can still modify this prompt and you can still customize this prompt. So first answer given by ChatGPT is not the end of the world. You can keep on modifying it in the conversational manner that we already know by this time. Okay. Now let us take this example. Write a blog on effects of artificial intelligence on tech jobs in around 1500 words. I don't know whether that many words will be allowed in a free account, but let us try. Again, I'm removing this parenthesis. Okay, here also. And it is creating a nice blog. However, as I anticipated, it has reached some limit of words, so the blog is only half halfway down. Now I think I can increase this maximum length maybe to max available for a free uh, account, and I can regenerate. This time it is giving a longer answer, but still, I think 1500 words will be a little bit too much. No, it has, that's great. 1500 words. Blog, ready. So, if you are a professional blogger, you can either treat this as an great enhancement to your productivity, or you can also understand that it can be a threat to your job. However, there is one thing which we will see if we get time during the course, that same AI is also developing tools which can detect that this blog is generated by ChatGPT. And many reputed blogging sites like Medium have already incorporated them. So if you write original and creative blogs, then don't worry, you will not have competition from ChatGPT because they have banned completely the blogs written by AI tools, and they can detect it. However, you can use this for some inspiration or some starting point, and then you can write it in your own words. Then here, one more framework is act as a customer support assistant who is having following some characteristic, and our customer has problem. Describe what problem your customer is having and how would you respond as a representative of our company. Type of the company, maybe a startup or maybe a bank or maybe something. Okay. Now, old prompt I'm removing. And this is the new one. Let us see. Okay. Your text is ending in trailing space, which causes worse performance. That is what it has given answer though, but it has also asked us that there should not be trailing spaces. So I remove this answer and I try again. Uh, Still, it is giving that I don't know where it is finding that trailing spaces, but at least it is generating appropriate answer. Thanks for bringing this to our attention. Customer had problem of repeated unsolicited credit card offer. We apologize for the inconvenience of unsolicited offers. We take the privacy of customer. If you see these it has added on its own. So it is understanding that making unsolicited offer is a privacy issue. We have not written anywhere the word privacy in our prompt, but it has understood that. And we will investigate the matter further and ensure it will not happen again. So, very polite and nice answer. Now, you can create an automatic chatbot where customer writes his problem and this AI tool will generate its answer. Now, second type of act as a customer support assistant who is very tech savvy. Here, the customer support assistant is very tech savvy, and the customer has problem in the of bug in the latest version of our CRM suite. How would you respond as the customer of a tech startup? Now you are a startup company here and you have developed a CRM, customer relationship management suite, but there are some bugs in it. So customer is complaining. So obviously you are a startup, so your answer should be much more detailed, much more polite, and of course it is a technological issue, so it is requesting, can you provide further information? So you can understand that an automatic chatbot can take the help of a tech support assistant also. Okay, take the job off. So again, this is one another use. Create analogy. Help me understand the uh, concept of. Then you can write any concept subject here by creating a practical and easy to understand analogy. Now here, for example, help me understand the concept of black hole, and it will generate some uh, basic concept. And since you have asked for a practical analogy, usually it would give answer in a much less technical manner. But as we already know, you can use prompt modifiers and you can tell it that explain it at level of an expert in astronomy. Then it will give answer which is uh, much highly technical. Okay. Then this is another. Help me understand the concept of integration in calculus. I had taken one example in physics, black hole. Now one example in math. And this is the example in math. And then this help me understand the concept of photosynthesis. Now this time we are taking an example in biology. And it will give a detailed answer about photosynthesis in a short but a helpful manner. Then one more application is creating bulk copies. For example, you can tell it that generate three email newspaper on three industries with largest market cap for financial portfolio advisory service. So suppose you are a financial consultant and you want uh, to create a newsletter for your subscribers, but you only want the discussion for large cap stocks, that is large market cap. Okay, so then you can generate, and you want to generate three different versions, three email newspapers. So it is giving email one, then it will give email two, and it will give email 3. So you can either use this for combining the information, or you can use it for customizing, or you can use it to differentiate, so that every customer does not get a monotonous email, and customer feels that he is getting personalized service. Then this one, generate three video scripts. And again, you are getting three different video scripts on this technology, non-financial use cases of blockchain. Now, this is a highly technical subject, and you can see that it is generating nice scripts. One script is on smart contracts. One script is use of blockchain for security of your data. One script is the use of blockchain for supply chain management. Blockchain is basically, some people may not be familiar, but uh, it's a more popular version, that is Bitcoin. Everybody knows, but Bitcoin is just one application, financial application. Actually, blockchain is a kind of immutable ledger, and it has many other non-financial applications also. So many governments have blindly put a blanket ban on blockchain without understanding its powerfulness. And on the other hand, many poor countries like Ethiopia have already put all their land records on blockchain. Okay. Anyway, so this is how you can practice. Now, the advantage of these five examples is that you can just put anything instead of this detail which is written in bold and in parenthesis, and it possibilities are endless. Plus, this is for the first time. I am also giving some exercise that you can try creative prompts yourself on the platform.openai.com, that sum up the following book into a tweet. I have also written the for which industry it is useful, because slowly I am planning to make this course uh, specific to different industries, because I understand that if you are a publisher, then you may not be interested in financial aspect of this chat gpt. But if you are a say financial advisor, then you may not be interested in educational aspect of ChatGPT. Similarly, if you are a marketing person, then you may be interested only in how social ChatGPT can help in social media marketing or business marketing. So, if you are a chef, then it can you are maybe interested only in this portion, cooking. So, I want my further course very soon, may not be the next lecture itself, but very soon, to be divided into application wise, so it will save a lot of time for you. You can choose only that part of the course which is suitable for your use case. Thank you.